The flickering gaslight cast long, dancing shadows across the cobblestones as Detective Cato, a man whose face held the weight of 1,000 unsolved cases, investigated the latest disappearance. Lady Anya, a renowned opera singer, vanished from her locked room, leaving behind only a single, blood-red feather. Cato, his trench coat pulled tight against the chill night air, found a faint scent of almonds, a scent he associated with the infamous phantom thief, rumored to be a master of illusion and murder. A hidden message, scrawled in invisible ink on a music sheet, revealed a cryptic clue: the Nightingale sings its last aria at midnight. Cato knew, with a chilling certainty, that tonight would be a night of reckoning. Time was running out.